Hello everyone! Welcome to our math tutorial video. By the way, I am Vivencio Marquez Jr.
And I am Jonathan Villasante.
We will help you on
how to solve your math problems, especially in solving limits of function by using techniques in easier way.
And we will teach you on how to solve limit of function using limit laws of an indeterminate form. But first, let us define what is indeterminate form.
Indeterminate form is an expression involving two functions which cannot be determined. The most common example of indeterminate form occurs as the ratio of two functions in which both of these functions tend to zero in the limit. We have two methods, the factoring and the conjugate.
Okay, we have a given example here. Limit x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x plus 4 as x approaches to negative 4. So if we solve it directly by substituting the value of x, which is negative 4, so the result will become 0 over 0, which means undefined. If the function is undefined, so we need to do something. So we need to use other techniques. So we need to factor. Since our numerator is in a quadratic form, we need to factor it out. So we need to factor the constant, the number 8. So 8, what are the factors of 8? So 8, we have negative 2 and 4. So our we have x plus 4 and x minus 2 over x plus 4. So we have the similar terms, so we need to cancel it out. So we have x minus 2. We have limit x approaches to negative 4. So x minus 2. So we need to substitute. Substitute the value of x by negative 4. So we have negative 4 minus 2. So our result, limit x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x plus 4 x approaches to negative 4 is equal to negative 6. So that's it.
So we have an example here, which is limit square root of x squared plus 5 minus 3 all over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2. So in conjugate method or in using conjugate techniques, we will multiply the conjugate of the square root of x squared plus 5 minus 3 and x squared plus 5. We just change the sign of negative into positive 3. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of x squared plus 5 plus 3. Remember, in using conjugate and multiplying conjugate, you look like multiplying the a plus b times a minus b. So using the coil technique, you just multiply the first term to the first term and second term to the second term. So the result will be a squared minus b squared. So we will multiply the first term, which is the square root of x squared plus 5. So we have square root of x squared plus 5. So times by itself, so it's square root of x squared plus 5 squared. So, and then negative 3 times positive 3. So negative That's negative 9 over, just copy the the x minus 2 times square root of x squared plus 5 plus 3. Okay, next, we will cancel the radical sign. So, x squared plus 5 minus 9 over x minus 2 and times square root of x squared plus 5 plus 3. And then, copy the x squared. So 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Then copy the denominator. Square root of x squared plus 5 and plus 3. Okay. And then we will factor the x squared minus 4. The factor of negative 4 is positive 2 and negative 2. So we have x minus 2 and x plus 2 over x minus 2 times the square root of x squared plus 5 plus 3. So, and then cancellation process. Then we will cancel if there are similar terms in the numerator and also in the denominator. So we'll cancel the x, and we will cancel the x minus 2 and the x minus 2 in the denominator. So the remaining number or the remaining terms are x plus 2 over square root of x squared plus 5 plus 3. And then substitution. So we will substitute the value of x, which is 2. So replace all the variable x into 2. 2 plus 2 over, so square root of 2 squared plus 5 plus 3. Okay, we have 4 square root of over square root of 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5 and then plus 3. And then 4 plus 5, that's 9, square root of 9 plus 3. And then we have 4, square root of 9 is 3. Then copy the 3. So we have 4 over 6. Or simply, if we're going to simplify 4 over 6, that's 2/3. So our answer, or limit of function square root of x squared plus 5 minus 3 all over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2 is equal to 2/3. So that's our final answer.
Therefore, in solving limitless indeterminate form, it should be that the function will not be equal to 0. Do not directly substitute because it may be resolved into undefined.
Okay, that's all, and I hope you understand and you learned something in our tutorial.
Mathematics is more harder if you think it is.
And do not forget to hit like and share and subscribe the button below.
Thank you and God bless.